Imagine opening a door and feeling like nature itself grew inside the building, flowers in iron, waves in glass, leaves in stone. This is Art Nouveau, the style that turned plants into architecture. Stay until the end to discover its secrets. Paris, late 19th century. Wrought iron shop windows glow under gaslight. Art Nouveau was born between 1890 and 1910, a response to industrialization, as artists sought natural beauty amid the steel and concrete taking over cities. Step into an entrance hall in Brussels, staircases that look like branches, golden light filtered through stained glass. For the movement's creators, art and life had to merge. Every doorknob, every window, was designed as art. Touch a railing and feel the cold metal shaped into soft curves. Wrought iron, colored glass, and carved wood were the favorite materials, allowing fluid forms impossible in rigid classical stone. Walk down a hallway where no line is straight. Walls ripple, columns twist like tree trunks. Art Nouveau rejected right angles, favoring organic volumes inspired by stems, waves, and insect wings. Afternoon light tints the walls moss green, gold, and soft violet. Art Nouveau colors imitated nature, earthy, floral, and metallic tones, creating warm, sensory spaces that never felt artificial. Inside a hall, light passes through a dragonfly-shaped stained glass, painting the floor with moving colors. Lighting was treated as decoration itself, favoring soft shadows and reflections that brought spaces to life. Stop on the sidewalk and look at the facade, waves carved into stone, as if the building were breathing. Art Nouveau facades avoided rigid symmetry, creating visual movement that mimicked plant growth. Notice the windows, asymmetric curves framed by thin iron, almost like open petals. They weren't just openings, but true works of art connecting the interior to natural outdoor light. Get close to a door and see flowers, insects, and vines carved even into the handle. Ornamentation was abundant and detailed, turning every surface into a meticulous celebration of nature. Enter a house and notice, rooms connect like parts of a living organism, with no abrupt divisions. Art Nouveau organized spaces fluidly, prioritizing continuity and natural movement. Smell wood and fresh flowers while climbing a spiral staircase covered in carved foliage. Nature wasn't just visual inspiration, it was the philosophical heart of the entire movement. Stand still in the center of an Art Nouveau hall and feel it, warmth, enchantment, and almost dreamlike lightness. The style stirred emotion through harmony between form, light, and nature. Names like Victor Horta, Antoni Gaudí, and Hector Guimard shaped the movement with their unique visions. Each interpreted the fusion of art and nature in their own way, leaving lasting marks on European cities. Today, architects still draw from Art Nouveau's organic curves to create biophilic, sustainable spaces. Curiously, the style nearly vanished after World War I, but returned as a symbol of timeless elegance. Art Nouveau taught us that architecture can be living poetry, where nature and design embrace. If this world captivated you, share it with someone who loves architecture and subscribe to explore more styles with me.